While Meshroom is processing, let's understand what's actually happening in each step. This knowledge helps you troubleshoot problems and know when to adjust settings. First, Meshroom reads your camera's metadata, the focal length, sensor size, and the lens model. It then scans each photo for distinctive features, corners, edges, unique patterns, and colors. It finds thousands of key points per image. These are the puzzle piece the software will match between photos. The software converts these points into mathematical descriptors that can be compared across images. Now, Meshroom compares features between photos to find matches. If the same sugar drop appears in photos 23 and 24, it'll match those key points. This creates a web of connections showing which photos see the same parts of your object. Structure from ocean. This is where the magic happens. Using the matched features, Meshroom calculates where each camera was positioned when you took the photo, the 3D coordinates of all matched points. Your object's basic shape as a sparse point cloud. You'll see a point cloud appear in the 3D viewer. These dots represent your object's form. Camera positions show as pyramids. Your object's basic shape appears as a colored point cloud.